I've been watching you.
Snapchat is not only limited to sending snaps and making streaks. Well, there's a lot more, and after watching this video, you will be knowing 5 hidden tricks of Snapchat which are pretty amazing. So with that being said, let's enter the video. Now you might be knowing that sending and receiving snaps with your friends for 3 consecutive days form streaks with them. So you see a number with a fire emoji next to the person's name you are making streaks with. So what about changing the streak fire emoji with any other emoji? Yes, you can do it by going into Snapchat settings, then browse a bit and you will see an option named Customize Emojis. Just click on that. Now from here you can change your snap streaks emoji to any other emoji you want. iOS users will find this option under Manage option. The second trick is to find the total number of snaps you have sent and received till date. For this, just go to your profile and click on your snap score. And here you will see the total number of snaps you have sent as well as received till date on your Snapchat account. The third is the scanner of Snapchat. Just open the snap camera, click and hold for a while and you will see that it starts scanning. While using it, you can find a dog's breed name, name of any music, a car model, and also it says that you can solve a math problem. Well, in my test, it works pretty well. Coming to the fourth is sending snaps individually to everyone at once. For this, just click a snap and click on Send a Snap button. Then in the upper section, you will find an option named Shortcuts. Click on that. And then you can add as much friends you want in a particular shortcut. And then whenever you have to send any snap to everyone in just one selection, just click the snap and select the shortcut emoji. And by this, you can send snaps to everyone in just one selection. Coming to the fifth is sending a camera roll media as a normal snap, not in that chat way. For this, you will have to search for a filter named camera roll. Just select it, and within the filter you will have an option to select the camera roll media. Just select the pic and then press the shutter button. Now you can send it to anyone just like a normal snap. The link of the filter is also given in the video's description. You can add it in your favorites. So there's one more bonus trick by which you can read someone's chat without opening the chat. So that person won't be knowing that you have seen the messages. For this, just click and hold on the Bitmoji of that person and slide a bit to the right. Just make sure that you aren't releasing your finger and don't slide completely. And after seeing the message, just slide it back to the left. That's all. So these were some amazing Snapchat tricks. So if you guys have liked the video, then drop a like, subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, I am Divyan Sharan and I will catch you in the next one. But if you want to catch me before, then follow me up on Instagram.